let me show you how to generate the Notion page in English version. Basically, how to translate the Notion page from Japanese to English in this video. So here is the page which I wanna translate the description. So here I gonna click and make sure the language translation application is connected. Then go to the share tab, set the copy link. Okay, copy the copy link, and so here you're gonna turn on, spin up the one npm module, which is called Notion translator, and from Japanese to English in the US. And here you're gonna copy and paste the URL you hold on your clipboard. Copy link, paste here. Let's go. And take your time. You just wait. And if the translated version is generated, that will be inserted here, basically the bottom of the page. So you're gonna pick up. You can keep it there, or you can pick up that and move to the whatever you want to input. Wherever you want to input. So yeah, basically much more sentence and words and description you wanna translate, much more time it will take. Yay! Idea. Yeah. So the point is, for example, for instance, they cannot regenerate the image. So if the page is included some images like this, you're gonna input. Let's see. Yeah. So if any image is included, they cannot. How to say? They cannot regenerate there. Instead, they will show input like this warning message. Let me remove from page. So you need to input by yourself. But other basically was translated. Now they use the deeper translator API. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.